Hi again, this is Doug Williams with Viva Las Vegas Autos and A Car's Life, bringing you another great vehicle. This is a 2022 Ford F-150 Raptor in that rare code orange metallic, and it's also got the blue Rhapsody Recaro interior seats and with Alcantara leather in there, and that's just beautiful. But our client who owned this also decided he wanted to have it look like the 37s. So he put on the 37-inch wheels, tires with the wheels, and made that package come together with a load lift kit for the front end leveling kit, and the running boards on there, and a bed cover, which is removable and it folds up. So that's a pretty neat some options on this thing. Put about, from what we can tell, about $8,000–9,000 in options on this car. Also tinted the windows and stuff like that. The car's never seen any paint, never had any damage anywhere. It is in absolutely immaculate condition, and it has been well serviced with Ford dealers here in town. So wait till you walk around this thing. We'll show you some stuff up close on this vehicle. It's beautiful. Tires are brand new. You can see the knobbies still on them. Got the Fox suspension on there. Live. No dings. No dents. No paint repair. No cracked glass or anything like that. Aftermarket running boards. Say Raptor on them. There's a nice little ad that he did on these. Method racing wheels are pretty cool. Go well with the vehicle. A very nice hard tonneau cover on there. He left the hitch on this one. It always comes with it. You'll see that it has the drop down tailgate here. And that cover just lifts right up, which is pretty cool the way that works. Bring the tailgate up like this, and drop it down, or hit the button. That's another way you can do it. It raises that right back up by itself. And unlocks it. And super great looking. See the Raptor running boards on this thing. Inside the vehicle, this is code orange, which is a hard to find color, by the way. And then of course it's got the Recaro seats on it with the Alcantara blue plus the leather. And the interior is gorgeous. Another nice, really expensive option from the factory. Of course, it's got the moonroof in there, double moonroof. Got all the features in here. It's got the mud flaps, or the mats that are like the winter weather tech type mats, rubber weather techs. What our client did is he had employees with his construction company that all drove these Raptors. So they were part of the presentation of their company, basically. So they had to be highly maintained and looking good all the time. So it's pretty cool. Like I said, you'll see the equipment listing on these. It's a very well equipped Raptor. A lot of added items. Let's take this thing for a spin. This one has 31,106 miles on it. Nav, all the features there. And everything works on the vehicle. They're not in need of anything. No repairs needed. Okay, let's go for a spin. Performance on these Raptors is outstanding. Super fun to drive. Yeah, this is a 2022, 31,000 miles. This truck is still under full bumper-to-bumper warranty. So if anything were wrong, or goes wrong, the warranty will cover it, which is really nice. Performance is phenomenal on these things. No question why people like these Raptors. They are fun. Got the 360 surround video. When you're parking or moving around, you can watch the entire surrounding of the vehicle as you're driving or trying to park. Got all these going on Bring a Trailer. Reserves are at wholesale market value, below what dealers can actually have to spend at dealer auctions to buy these things. So I'm hoping that our buyers understand that this is a very capable buy on all of these Raptors, because Bring a Trailer is ridiculous when it comes to setting the reserves ridiculously low below market value. So I believe that every single one of these will hit the reserve pretty easily and sell. So, and somebody will be getting a great deal because they're highly maintained and highly optioned units. So enjoy, and we hope to hear from you. I love interacting with our bidders and those who have questions. Try to answer those as quickly as I possibly can, and love to see the winning bidder be super happy, because this thing is highly detailed from top to bottom. Every square inch of this truck has been touched by our company to make it beautiful, and it is a beautiful rig. So hope you enjoy the video, and hope that helps you answer any questions as well. We'll talk to you soon. Doug Williams, A Car's Life and Viva Las Vegas Autos. See you next time.